Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the driver's side headlight with an LED headlight bulb. So here we've got some lighting. This is an LED headlight bulb. We also replaced the passenger side, so if you want to see a video on that one, check it out in a card up here. That'll be on How To Video Channel as well. But these are some excellent bulbs. I really like how cool they look. Also, they are incredibly bright, which, man, is so amazing. So look at this. It's kind of a futuristic microchip looking bulb. I like it. It's metal. It says apparently it'll last, has a 1-year warranty, and it'll last for like 50,000 hours. That's probably a lifetime of driving a car. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to put this in. If you want to see the unboxing video, that'll be right here on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. We'll also have a review on that channel that I'll put in a card later on in this video. But the first step to removing this headlight bulb right here is we need to get behind there and remove the cap and then pop the bulb out of the socket. Then we can put this new bulb in and do the reverse, putting it all back together. So I'm going to put the camera to the other side so you can see what that looks like. Alright, so here we are. Now the next thing I recommend is we move this out of the way and then we can access that cap right here. So in order to do that, the process is pretty simple. All you need to do is get a screwdriver and twist this, and you can see how this kind of moves up and down. And so the best way is to get a flathead, get underneath, and then when you twist it up, you can kind of pull that up, and then this will pull out of there. Now, if you break this, you can go to the auto parts store and get another one, but be careful, remove that, push that down so it doesn't fall out, and then we'll just bend it out of the way. There is a little flex line down there for that specific purpose. Then we'll twist this so that this comes out of the way. Now, of course, if you have small hands, you don't mind working in tight places, then you might not need to move that, but I definitely need that thing out of the way. That, I guess. There we go. Alright, so that's out. Then twist the light out of the socket. There we go. That was easy. And then it'll be a simple matter of pushing this button, pulling that headlight out, pulling the bulb out just like this. Boy, that seems to have seized a little as well. There we go. Alright, then the new one, plug and play. Same thing. Push that down. And then it'll be a simple plug and play where we insert the bulb. Of course, make sure that the chips are going to the left and right. So the 9 and 3, one to each side of the car. Get that twisted in. Reinstall the cap. Put this back on, and we are good to go. I will show you what that headlight looks like. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to turn on the car. We'll see what this headlight looks like when the brightness comes on. Alright, check that out. Super bright headlight. Much better than it used to be. Really amazing, the brightness that is in this LED light. So if you want to see a review video, you can check that out. It'll be in a card up here. That is on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. Otherwise, hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon to stay tuned to future videos from How To Video Channel. Thank you.